Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. What's up, friends, family, and all you real ones out there? Tonight I want to talk about having a side hustle. That's right, a side hustle. And how many of us need a side hustle not only just to survive, but how it can help us attain and do the things that we are passionate about and maybe even learn new skill sets. So there's so much to unpack in this quick little video right here talking about side hustles. Well, hey, what's your side hustle? We'll talk about that too, and I'll talk about mine right here at the end of this video. So sit back, relax, go ahead and get your Chardonnay, and let's go. Start your side hustle today. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of having extra income to pay off debt, save for vacation, or just enjoy more life? See, starting a side hustle could be the answer you are looking for. See, in this video, we'll explore the world of side hustles and how to share tips on how to get started. First of all, what is a side hustle? A side hustle is a job or a business that you do outside of your regular 9 to 5. It is a way to make extra money and pursue your passions. See, a side hustle can range from selling crafts on Etsy to driving for Uber or Lyft. But why even start a side hustle? Well, there are many reasons to start a side hustle. Some people do it to make extra money, while others do it to pursue their skills or passions. See, a side hustle can also provide like a safety net in case you lose your job or you need to take a break from your main career. So, how would you go about finding your side hustle, right? I'm sure it's a question a lot of people ask. Well, finding the right side hustle can take some time and experimentation. So you start by thinking about your skills and your interests. Are you good at, say, graphic design? Well, maybe you could offer a design service on Fiverr or Upwork. Or say, do you love pets? Well, you could start a dog walking or pet sitting business. Don't be afraid to try something new. See, how to balance your side hustle and your day job is also something that's going to come up. See, because balancing a side hustle and a day job can be very challenging, but it's important to find a routine that works for you. See, set aside a specific times each week for your side hustle and make sure to communicate with your employer or any other potential conflicts that you may have in your personal life. And that way you can dedicate that time to the side hustle to allow that side hustle to do what it's meant to do. There's also some tips for growing your side hustle. See, to grow your side hustle, you need to put in some effort and time. You want to make sure that you're marketing yourself on social media to create a website or a portfolio to showcase your work. Don't be afraid to network or reach out to potential customers or other clients. And also, my final thoughts on the side hustle is starting a side hustle can be a great way to earn extra income, pursue your passions, and build new skills. With some hard work and dedication, your side hustles could even turn into a full-time career. So what are you waiting for? Go out there and start your side hustle today. So what are you going to do for your side hustle? Well, here's my side hustle right here at the onlinebusiness.app. Why? Because it's an affiliate marketing, right? Where I don't have to be there physically present. It creates passive income because I'm so busy in my 9 to 5, which in my case is a lot more than 9 to 5, and I don't have very much time to invest into other things. So that's why I decided to partner with the onlinebusiness.app, because all of the income that we are generating actually becomes passive income, meaning I don't need to sit there and trade the time for the income, right? So that's why you get a digital affiliate link, and then people eventually end up finding you. When they like what your products are, they like what you have, it helps them solve a problem like it did for me personally in my own personal business, then it will become a solution for someone just like you. And if you want to get signed up for free, go ahead and click that link below and get started. It's basically a business in the box. We have everything pretty much done for you. So all you need to dedicate is about an hour, maybe 2 of your time a day, and you could be really changing your life for the good. So I hope this hits you guys well. I hope you guys have a great evening. Shout out to all my real ones, and thank you for watching. If you found my content nice or you just want to hang out with the big dog, go ahead, give it a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one. Till then, stay bullish.